Some people like to keep things simple and aim for maximum productivity. Others want to develop their own coating materials. Both are possible using the same semicon technology. Our systems are open to our customers' ideas. Naturally, their recipes remain protected. Our systems form the heart of a coating line. All components around them can be chosen freely. Even consumables such as targets. We recommend the best. Users can choose for themselves. Anyone actively seeking a competitive advantage will quickly find answers to the demands of tomorrow's powerful value-added markets. Aerospace, electromobility, communication, medical technology. We are leaders in terms of technology and the market because we've always approached the development of our technology with a very open mindset. It's a method that has remained successful to this day. It's open. Welcome to the future.